journey of innovation, Dingjoin brings its powerful 40 cubic meter concrete mixer pump to a vital construction site in Tanzania. From global logistics to local deployment, our commitment to your project starts here. Precision and efficiency delivered. This is the Dingjoin 40 cubic meters mixer pump, engineered for performance in any environment. Our technical team is on site, ready to empower our client. Let's delve into what makes this machine a true game changer for concrete pouring. First, the heart of the machine. Its robust mixing drum, built with high-strength materials. It ensures consistent, homogeneous concrete every time, essential for structural integrity. The powerful twin shaft mixing system guarantees rapid and thorough mixing, crucial for meeting tight project schedules. Portability is key on diverse job sites. Our heavy-duty chassis and all-terrain tires allow for easy repositioning. Operating this powerhouse is incredibly straightforward, thanks to its intuitive, user-friendly control panel. All critical functions and safety features are at your fingertips, ensuring seamless operation and complete peace of mind. Now let's talk about the pumping unit. Equipped with a high-performance hydraulic system, it delivers a steady, powerful concrete flow from the large aggregate hopper to the reinforced pipeline. Every component is designed to minimize blockages and maximize output. This means less downtime for maintenance and more continuous pouring.